Good morning, math magicians. This is Mrs. Ross. Let me just say, I have been here longer than I had hoped. I had hoped that I would be with you today, or yesterday, or even Tuesday, or preferably Monday, because I'd rather be with you than where I'm at. But it's all right. God's got a plan. So let's just hope I get out of here today so I can see your sweet faces tomorrow. So until then, the work has not been completed. We still need to be working on our math. So let's see what we've got in store for today's math class. Okay, this watch on Wednesday, that will be going away, and you'll see one that says Thursday. But if I go to our weekly lesson planner, let's see what we have scheduled for Thursday. The first 5 minutes, we have this diagnostic. Now, I still have at least one person who has not accessed the diagnostic. Otherwise, there's a way that you can, when you get into IXL, let me see if I can show you. Mine looks a little different than yours, but if I go to IXL, and it already logged me in. You should have something that says diagnostic here, and you're going to click on that, and you're going to work through that. And that's going to tell me where you're at on several different math concepts. So it's important for you to do, in that first 5 minutes, just as many of those problems as you can do. It's not homework, and I don't want to make it homework. But if you'll come in, when you come to school and you come down the hallway at 8 o'clock, get your stuff, come to class, and start working on that diagnostic, that would be hugely helpful. After the first 5 minutes, assuming you've completed Lesson 4 video notes and Lesson 4 practice set, you can start working on the Lesson 4 written practice, starting on the non-starred problems. Now, keep in mind, again, those non-starred problems are supposed to be review. That's supposed to be something that's fairly routine, okay? So if you're having any trouble with those, please let me know in the discussion so we can catch any issues we might have early. And then once you finish the non-starred problems, go ahead and attempt the starred problems, okay? And when I say attempt, that means with a piece of paper and a pencil. You're welcome to do it in your spiral, or you can do it on a regular sheet of paper. There's paper in my room. There's pencils in my room. If you have any issues with the starred problems, I've literally worked out every single starred problem on the starred problems video. But I don't want you to watch it before you try it. That defeats the entire purpose. So go ahead and attempt them first, and then watch the video. Once you finish the Lesson 4 written practice, make sure you check your work with the answer key. If you're having any trouble accessing the answer key, please let me know, via email preferably, and mark any problems you have questions about, because you're going to be putting those in a discussion on the next day. So your homework is the Lesson 4 written practice, keeping in mind that you're going to have time right after class. You'll have your independent math study time or math work time, so you'll be able to work on this for 30 minutes after class. Make sure you check your answers, and if you are an early finisher, you're welcome to start the next lesson's video notes, and you may need to print those out. Please don't struggle alone. If you have a question, please ask someone. That's what we're there to do, is to help. So let me show you where Lesson 4 is. It's not there. So let's see. Down here we have lessons 1 through 5. Lesson number 4. There's the video notes. There's the link to the Lesson 4 video. You should have already completed that. There's the practice set video. If you needed that video, you should have already accessed it. So you should be working on that written practice today. And here's the starred problem video. If you finish the written practice, you're welcome to go ahead and put in your questions about any problems that you had any trouble with. So hopefully I will see you on Friday. I mean, I don't know. We'll have to see how things go, but I miss you guys terribly. So have a wonderful day, and email me any questions you have.